Okay, so today I'm going to show you a little bit into Photoshop of photographers. How I use it, at least, is so I'm going to open this folder from Zion National Park, photos I took while there, and I'm going to open this photo with Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop allows photographers to manipulate photos by editing, making black and white, making the levels equal. I'll go more into depth later throughout the year, but first thing I always do is make a background copy so you can always go back to your original photo. With the background copy, I then go into editing, whether it be brightness, contrast, levels, curves, and they all have different meanings that we will go through each way. For example, the black and white, I can automatically make black and white and adjust the reds of the photo, and as you see, they change as I move the level cursor. The yellows, greens, all of that, and then I can look what it is with black and white, and then also without black and white, just by pressing these I buttons. You also have up here your history, which is a nice way to see what you have done so far in Photoshop. If you have a process like I do for portraits, then it's a nice way to see where I left off, or so on and so on. You can also easily just delete this layer, and you press yes, delete this layer again, and then you're back to just your background, which is something you never want to mess with just by itself.